Hello, dear teacher and co-worker. I am David Pavenio Vanegas Vasquez. I am 34 years old. I live in Bogota, Colombia. I'm from Bogota. I am a student electronic engineer, Seat Jose Acevedo and Gomez. I have two daughters. I am electronic and industrial instrumentist. I work with process logistics in the area automatic and driver in the Natura company cosmetics. I like the street music metal and classical music. I play bass. I like the touring motorcycle. And my favorite part is Jaime Duque. In this photo, you can see view frontal old park. Jaime Duque is a family park-oriented amusement park located in the Tocancipá town, municipality of metropolitan area, Bogota, Colombia, Sabana, around from 34 kilometers from Bogota. And the park contains zoo. The zoo contains several birds and monkeys and wildlife species native to America. The park contains the Museum of Making, replicas of several major locations and buildings from around the world, like the Taj Mahal in India, Seven Wonders and Ancient World, Hanging Garden of Babylon, the Lion House of Alexandria, the Temple of Artemis and the Pyramids, and replicas of Universal Literature. The park has giant figures, including a large hand holding a glove, which are made to represent a tooth. The park contains replica like there is a relief map of Colombian skull. There is a map of the Caribbean Sea. The park has a monorail round the park for visits. The park has an outdoor stage for live performance for show on live. In these photos, you can see a condor building and monorail and ship of the Caribbean Sea and replicas of map Caribbean Sea zoo replicas Taj Mahal and replicas of literature Dante Alighieri. In this photo, you can see view area. In this area, the park has big lake with ships. In this area is zoo. In this area is Castle Medieval and replicas Universal Literature. This area is building Condor. In this area is parking. In this area, replica Taj Mahal, hand with glove, and other attraction. I invite for all people visit this wonder and beautiful park. It's near Bogota, around 34 kilometers. It's cheap, easy transport, and the park contains different foods and good attraction. Thanks so much, and bye, see you later.